The Russia-Ukraine conflict has reshaped the global energy map. Europe, heavily reliant on Russian gas, was left scrambling for alternatives. An unexpected player has emerged as a key energy partner, Algeria. This North African nation, rich in natural gas reserves, has quickly become a crucial supplier for Europe. Algeria's rise is a result of both opportunity and strategic planning. The country has long been a significant gas exporter, but the conflict in Ukraine created an unprecedented demand. Algeria, with its proximity to Europe and extensive pipeline network, was well positioned to fill the gap. This shift has thrust Algeria into the spotlight, raising its profile as a major player in global energy security. Algeria's emergence as an energy powerhouse is not a temporary phenomenon. The country is making significant investments to increase production and expand its export capacity. This commitment to long-term growth underscores Algeria's ambition to become a dominant force in the global gas market. The war in Ukraine exposed the risks of Europe's dependence on Russian energy. Russia had been Europe's primary gas supplier for decades, providing around 40% of its needs. This reliance became a liability when the conflict erupted, leaving Europe vulnerable to supply disruptions and price volatility. Algeria, with its existing pipeline connections to Europe, quickly stepped in to increase supplies. In 2022, Algeria became the EU's largest gas supplier from outside of the bloc, exceeding pipeline flows from Russia. This surge in exports demonstrates Algeria's ability to respond effectively to market demands and provide a reliable alternative to Russian gas. The shift from Russia to Algeria as a primary gas supplier is significant. It underscores the changing dynamics of the global energy landscape and highlights Algeria's growing influence. This transition is not without its challenges, but it presents a strategic opportunity for both Algeria and Europe to forge a stronger energy partnership. Algeria recognizes the need to capitalize on its newfound energy leverage. The country is investing heavily in its energy sector to boost production and export capacity. These investments are not just about meeting current demand, but also about securing Algeria's position as a leading energy player for decades to come. Algeria's state-owned energy company, Sonatrach, plans to invest $40 billion in exploration, production, and refining over the next 4 years. This ambitious investment plan aims to discover new gas reserves, enhance existing infrastructure, and develop downstream industries. This commitment to expansion underscores Algeria's long-term vision for its energy sector. Algeria is also focusing on modernizing its pipeline network to increase export capacity. Projects like the Trans-Saharan gas pipeline, discussed later, aim to connect Algerian gas fields directly to European markets. By investing in its energy infrastructure, Algeria is solidifying its role as a reliable and long-term energy partner for Europe. The surge in gas exports has provided a significant boost to Algeria's economy. Energy revenues account for a substantial portion of the country's GDP and export earnings. This influx of capital is fueling economic growth and creating opportunities for development across various sectors. In 2022, Algeria's energy earnings soared to record levels, exceeding $50 billion. This financial windfall is being used to fund infrastructure projects, improve social services, and diversify the economy. The government is prioritizing investments in education, healthcare, and renewable energy to create a more sustainable and diversified economic base. While the energy sector is a key driver of Algeria's economic growth, the government recognizes the need to reduce its reliance on hydrocarbons. Diversifying the economy and investing in other sectors will be crucial for ensuring long-term economic stability and resilience. Algeria is not only a major pipeline gas supplier, but also a leading exporter of liquefied natural gas, or LNG. LNG, natural gas, cooled to a liquid state for easier transport, plays a vital role in global energy markets, offering flexibility and security of supply. Algeria is the largest LNG exporter in Africa and a key supplier to European and Asian markets. The country has several LNG export terminals along its Mediterranean coast, allowing it to reach a wide range of customers. As global demand for LNG continues to rise, Algeria is well positioned to capitalize on its established infrastructure and expertise. Algeria's dominance in the LNG sector is a testament to its strategic investments and commitment to developing its energy resources. The country's vast gas reserves, coupled with its modern infrastructure, make it a reliable and competitive LNG exporter on the global stage. The Trans-Saharan Gas Pipeline, or TSGP, is a mega project with the potential to transform Algeria's energy landscape and significantly impact Europe's energy security. The proposed pipeline aims to connect vast gas reserves in Nigeria to European markets via Algeria, creating a new energy corridor across the Sahara Desert. The TSGP, spanning over 4,000 kilometers, would be one of the world's longest pipelines. It is designed to transport up to 30 billion cubic meters of natural gas annually, diversifying Europe's gas supplies and reducing its reliance on existing routes. The project has gained renewed interest in the wake of the Russia-Ukraine conflict, as European nations seek to secure alternative energy sources. However, the TSGP faces significant challenges, including security concerns in the Sahel region, financing hurdles, and technical complexities. The project's estimated cost of over $13 billion and the volatile geopolitical landscape pose considerable obstacles.